In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Klaviyo email template. This straightforward process will help you spruce up your emails, adding that extra bit of flair and engagement to truly catch your recipient's eye. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, take a look over at the left panel. You'll notice an array of options, but our focus today is on content. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Templates. This is where all the magic starts. Now, with your Templates view open, you'll see a Create button at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button is your ticket to crafting a new email template and opening up the editor screen. It's a pretty intuitive space where you get to design your email just the way you want it. In the email template editor, you'll see a variety of content blocks off to the left. These are the building blocks of your email design, and they are wonderfully easy to work with. You can drag and drop them onto your template to start shaping your email communication. For today's task, we are looking to add a GIF, so you'll want to focus on the image block. With a simple click, drag this block over to your template. This action creates a spot within your email layout where you can show off that vibrant GIF you want to feature. It's as easy as dragging a picture frame to the right spot in a room. Once the image block is placed, you're ready to upload your GIF. Click on this block, and you'll be given the option to upload an image from your device. Navigate to your chosen GIF, select it, and in just a moment, it will be seamlessly inserted into your email template. GIFs can add a dynamic element to your emails, bringing your message to life and capturing your audience's attention in a delightfully animated way. And there you go. That's literally all there is to it. You've now successfully added a GIF to your Klaviyo email template, and your email is ready for more interactivity and visual appeal. Adding images and GIFs is a fantastic way to ensure your communications stand out in a crowded inbox. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. By incorporating dynamic elements like GIFs into your email, you have the chance to really engage your audience and make your message memorable. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.